In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Proxy by Janitor AI. You have to go to the website, which is janitorai.com. First, I'm going to choose one of these, which is Dante Stone. Just click on it. And once you open it, go to Chat. After this opens, you have to go by the right top corner, click and then go to API settings. Then here you have to go to Proxy. Here you have to select OpenAI preset. Just click on it. Here you get to select which GPT you want to use, GPT-4 or 3.5 Turbo. You just get to choose whichever one you want to use. And then under here, you can enter a specific URL for that proxy. And then after that, you save settings and then you're done. That's how I use Proxy by Janitor.